Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're learning about how to fix the Goodnotes crashing during export documents in 2026. Does your Goodnotes crash when exporting files? Don't worry, here's how to fix it quickly. Now before we start, I'll put you in the situation. Imagine this, you finished editing your documents like this, and you try to export your document. Here, you're gonna click on the export option, this means the share option, and then you're gonna click on export as PDF. After you click on the export in here, you encounter a problem of the GoodNotes crashing here. As you can see, yeah, it crashes during the export. So to fix it, you're gonna have to follow these few simple steps. You're gonna close the background apps first to free up memory. You're gonna open this recent apps section right here, and you're gonna close all the apps that's not necessary for you. After you close them, you're gonna try exporting again, doing the same procedure. You're gonna click on this and click on export PDF and see if it crashes. If it still crashes, try exporting a smaller section instead of the full notebook. You're gonna select only some pages to export and then make sure to blend the pages in another application. Also, you're gonna have to check the apps updates. You're gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna go and search for the GoodNotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to check if an update is available. And if it is, you're gonna click on the update button and then finish updating the application and go back to the notebook and try exporting it again with the same way. Now, if that also doesn't work, try restarting your device. You're gonna click on the power button in your device until you see the restart option. Once you see it, you're gonna click on restart and your device will restart, and then relaunch the app again and see if it works. Now, the export crashes are usually caused by large files or performance limits. Follow these steps and export them smoothly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.